Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 business idioms for work and meetings. Number 1. Cut to the chase. It means get straight to the main point. Example, let's cut to the chase. How much will this cost? Number 2. To play catch up. It means try to reach the same level after falling behind. Example, I was sick for a week, so now I'm playing catch up in class. Number 3. Bend over backwards. It means try very hard to help or please someone. Example, the team bent over backwards to finish the project on time. Number 4. Straight from the horse's mouth. It means from the original, trustworthy source. Example, I heard straight from the horse's mouth that our boss is promoting me next week. Number 5. Juggling too many balls. It means trying to do too many things at once. Example, she's juggling too many balls. Work, school, and childcare. Number 6. Think on your feet. It means think and respond quickly in the moment. Example, in sales, you must think on your feet when customers ask tough questions. Number 7. To err on the side of caution. It means choose the safer option when unsure. Example, we don't know the risks, so let's err on the side of caution. Number 8. To drop a ball. It means make a mistake or forget something important. Example, the sales team dropped the ball and forgot to follow up with the client. Number 9. Shift the goalposts. It means change the rules or expectations unfairly. Example, we met the deadline, but they shifted the goalposts and wanted more work. Number 10. To cut corners. It means do something cheaply or quickly, often lowering quality. Example, don't cut corners on safety, even if it saves money. Great job today! You now know 10 powerful business idioms you can use in meetings, emails, and conversations at work. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. See you in the next video and keep speaking English with confidence.